Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, today wanting to let you know a little bit more about this amazing Jaguar F-Pace large SUV that is joining our approved used stock. This particular example is the F-Pace Portfolio all-wheel drive, finished here in this gorgeous and rare Loire blue metallic colour. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. It's worth noting this model comes with loads of optional extras such as adaptive LED headlights, MERIDIAN sound system, interactive driver display AWD, perforated Windsor leather seats and even a sliding panoramic sunroof, to name a few. Those alloy wheels here look absolutely gorgeous and really make the Loire blue colour stand out. Additionally, keyless entry and start as well as privacy glass will further uplift the overall experience. Passengers in the rear cabin will be very happy as there is loads of legroom and headroom available for up to 3, with this upgraded leather interior looking absolutely sumptuous. The sliding roof will let in plenty of natural sunshine for the coming months ahead, and as we move towards the rear, signature LED taillight design is further complemented by twin exhaust pipes. When your hands are full, don't panic, as you'll even benefit from a power opening and closing boot, revealing a large area easily able to swallow 4 large suitcases. You can always fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split seat configuration, and other conveniences will include shopping hooks and tether hooks, and even a 12-volt power socket. There's even hidden storage underneath, and closing the boot simply requires a press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin is no different, with that beautiful digital dashboard, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large 10-inch infotainment screen, with front seat offering additional side bolster support for added comfort, and those are also electrically adjustable too. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this F-Pace portfolio, it really is a nice place to find yourself in. Lots of soft touch materials throughout the cabin and everything's logically laid out too. Driver control panels for the wing mirrors and electric windows are easy to reach, and that MERIDIAN sound system will truly deliver crisp sound quality throughout the cabin. The steering wheel features paddle shifters for more dynamic gear changes, as well as various buttons to operate various functions of the car. The AWD interactive driver display is a joy to use and comes with bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for added grip. Economy will prioritize efficiency and fuel economy, whilst the dynamic mode will give you a bit more of a sportier spirited drive. Additionally, various information can be displayed such as vehicle settings, information, all your media and radio stations can be adjusted, with safety systems such as city emergency braking and even road sign recognition cameras on offer too. Best feature, however, is the fact that you can fully optimize and change the display, for example changing it from a 2-dial to a 1-dial look if you prefer that, or even display full widescreen satellite navigation mapping ahead when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Moving over to the center screen, you'll benefit from this upgraded 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment system, which will have all your entertainment needs covered across various screens. Starting with satellite navigation, it will provide 2D and 3D mapping for UK and rest of Europe too. For all your Bluetooth connectivity, there's also audio for wireless streaming, with radio stations offered through the AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. Also, this car benefits from heated front seats with a 3-stage setting, which is absolutely great. Other great features will include both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, as well as the all-surface information control will let you know everything that the 4-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment. To help with parking, rear view parking camera system is available with a wide angle view, fully complemented by audible and visual front and rear parking sensors. As we move down the cabin, the heated seats are further complemented by 2-zone climate control system, which even benefits from a heated windscreen, which is ideal for frosty months. Additional storage is available for cup holders, and a deep center armrest offers additional USB connectivity, which is great for keeping your phone topped up with battery. The electric sunshade blind and pan roof is easily operated via these 2 controls. You can quickly at a push of a button retract the blind to let in natural light, but you'll see for yourself in a moment the sliding panoramic roof features a 2-stage setting. Simply pushing the button once will quickly open it just a bit, and pressing again will fully retract the glass, letting in plenty of natural light and sunshine. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace portfolio that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.